I'm Teacher Belle and I'm your science teacher for today. I'll be discussing the female reproductive system, which the female reproductive system is made up of internal and external sex organs that function of reproduction of new spring. But for today, I will just be focusing to internal part of the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is the body parts of women or people assigned for female at birth. Have sexual intercourse, to reproduce, and to menstruate. The function of female reproductive system is one is to produce female sex cells, two receive sperm cell from the male, and three nurtures the development and provides nourishment for the new individual. So first function is to produce female sex cells.
Egg cell and it's produced in the ovary. The number of the egg cell is continuously decreasing as the woman age is increasing. So during fetal development, there are 6 million egg cells, but after giving birth, the number of egg cells become 1 million, and when a woman reaches puberty, there are just 300,000 egg cells left.
Next is to receive sperm cells from the male.
During sexual intercourse, the male reproductive system is the one that deposits sperm cells that enter the female reproductive system, where it initiates the pregnancy. The number 3 function of female reproductive system is to nurture the development and provides nourishment for the new individual. It protects and gives nourishment to the fertilized egg until it develops.
So we're going now to the parts and the function of female reproductive system. 1 is fallopian tube, 2 is the ovary, and 3 is the uterus, and 4 is the cervix, and 5 is the vagina. So first, I'll be discussing the ovaries. The ovaries, also known as female gonads, they produce eggs, also called ova. Every female is born when a lifetime of to supply an egg cells, and they are also produces estrogen and progesterone. Second part is the fallopian tubes, where this is another tubes
that are attached to the upper part of your uterus and serve as pathways for your egg to travel from your ovaries to your uterus. Fertilization of an egg by sperm normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. The fertilized egg then moves to the uterus where it implants into the uterine lining. The third part is uterus. The main body consists of a firm outer coat of muscle called myometrium and an inner lining of vascular, it's called endometrium. The endometrium thickens during the menstrual cycle to allow implantation of a fertilized egg. Pregnancy occurs when the fertilized egg implants successfully into the endometrial lining. Uterus expands during reproductive process 10 to 20 times in normal size during pregnancy, part of the system where the fertilized egg develops.
Next is the cervix, the lower portion or the neck of the uterus.
The cervix is aligned with mucus known as cervix mucus. Cervix mucus provides lubrication and sperm transport during sexual intercourse. During ovulation, secretion of cervical mucus increases in response to estrogen. But when an egg is ready for fertilization, the mucus then becomes thin and slippery, offering a friendly environment to sperm. The vagina, a muscular ridge sheath connecting the external genitals to the uterus, functions as two-way street accepting the penis and sperm during intercourse, serving as the avenue of birth through which the new baby enters the world. And the vagina is a muscular canal that joins the cervix in the lower part of the female reproductive system. This is the part that expands when a baby is about to go out from the womb. So let's summarize the female reproductive system. Ovaries produce eggs and female hormones. The fallopian tube, where sperm cell and egg cell meets together and fertilize here inside the fallopian tube. Uterus, the baby will grow here, and cervix will dilate in labor. Vagina allows for childbirth, intercourse, and menstrual flow.
So, that is all our discussion for today about internal female reproductive system. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.